Are you looking for a laptop for animation and VFX? In this video, I will show you the best laptops for animation and VFX in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the Razer Blade 15. The Razer Blade is one of the smallest 15.6-inch gaming laptops, striking the perfect balance of power and portability. We've redesigned the laptop to be more compact yet contain even more power and features. The larger, near bezel-less 15.6 Full HD display stretches edge-to-edge and features 60 Hz refresh rates, while the 8th Gen Intel Core i7 6-core processor and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 Max-Q design graphics deliver amazing performance and frame rates. The 15.6 Full HD display is factory calibrated for accuracy and flanked by class-leading 4.9mm thin bezels, pushing the visual experience to the edge. Milled out of a solid block of aluminum, the Razer Blade 15 delivers a thin and sturdy chassis with the most compact footprint. With the VR-ready NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 graphics with Max-Q design, use the latest creative apps to edit, render, and transcode videos smooth and fast. Maximize the 60 Hz Full HD display and experience the smoothest and most immersive gameplay ever. The fourth product on the list is the MSI GS75 Stealth. The one that is the most adaptable to change is the one that survive and evolve. Choose the Dragon Spirit and evolve with the latest MSI gaming laptops equipped with 10th Gen Intel Core i9 processors and latest GeForce RTX graphics designed for gamers with style. Head first into the new generation. Experience a 50% boost in computing from gen to gen. MSI laptop equips the 10th General Intel Core i9 processor with the utmost computing power and higher single-core frequency to bring you an unparalleled gaming experience. The third product on the list is the MSI GP75 Leopard. The one that is the most adaptable to change is the one that survive and evolve. Choose the Dragon Spirit and evolve with the latest MSI gaming laptops equipped with 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processors and latest GeForce RTX graphics designed for gamers with style. Head first into the new generation. Latest 10th Gen Intel Core i7-10875H processor powers up with up to 40% performance gains over the previous generation. Higher single-core frequency is better for gaming experience. The new GeForce RTX Super Series has more cores and higher clocks for super fast performance compared to previous gen GPUs. See your games come to life with super fast ray tracing, delivers physically accurate shadows, reflections, and lighting. Tap into Tensor cores for super powerful AI processing. Advanced memory, performance boosts, and processing technologies make these GPUs the perfect weapon for hardcore gamers. Get your superpowers. The second product on the list is the Acer Nitro 5. In the case of the Aspire Nitro 5, looks can kill. This soon-to-be battlefield gaming icon utilizes a hard-edged futuristic design with sleek lines and angles and an impressive 15.6 Full HD IPS display to put you in total command of all the action. It combines a powerful 7th Gen Intel Core processor with high-performance NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics, driven by the new NVIDIA Pascal architecture. With its hard-edged futuristic design with sleek lines and angles, the Acer Nitro 5 looks and feels like it will help you take control. Dual fans with Acer CoolBoost technology deliver heightened fan speeds and cooling ability. This innovative feature allows users to manually control the cooling process when heavy use requires an added boost. Powered by the 7th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, the Acer Nitro 5 is devastatingly powerful, so you can smoothly and quickly play games, watch videos, or just stay productive. The first product on the list is the Acer Predator Helios 300. Ready for battle and eager for a fight, the Helios 300 drops you into the game with everything you need. Only now we've armed it with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660T graphics, the latest 9th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, and our custom-engineered 4th Gen Blade 3D fan technology. With the 144Hz IPS panel and 3 milliseconds overdrive response time, you can say farewell to blur and hello clear, crisp, high-octane gameplay. Enjoy an incredibly fast 144Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds overdrive response time in full HD for frames that are crisp and clear for high-octane gameplay. The ultimate gaming display for enthusiast gamers. Predator Sense is the ultimate tool to control and customize your gaming experience from one place. Just tap the Predator Sense key and take command over lighting, fan speed, overclocking, game profiles and more. What else could you ask for? His ultimate gaming platform is VR ready. Just plug in a VR headset and step into a new world. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.